Hello everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I have a how to apply a false lash tutorial. I'm so excited to share this video with you, so if you want to check it out, stick around with me, don't go anywhere, and of course keep watching. And if you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button. If you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. Off camera, I already got my face ready, my brows ready, and my eyeshadow is complete. So lashes, here we go. Now these two style lashes are my favorite from these two drugstore brands, and this is the drugstore lash glue I'm going to be using. Now there's a couple different ways that you can add the glue to the lash band. One of them is you can apply it to your hand and then take the lash and just kind of swoop it across the glue so it gets onto the lash band. Or as you see my imaginary bobby pin in my hand, you can add the glue to the bobby pin and then use that to apply it to the lash band. I'm going to do it the way that the glue is yours and no one else is using it, and I'm going to go directly from the applicator to the band. So I'm just going to get a nice good coat, not too crazy much, but I find if I don't do enough, it doesn't stick and stay. Then if I was doing someone else's lashes, I would probably let it air dry a little bit like that. I wouldn't blow on it, but since I'm doing my own lashes, I blow on it a little bit, get that glue a little bit drier so it ends up getting a little tacky. Once it's tacky, it's ready to apply. So I like to look into a mirror and I pull it down just a little bit. I've tried it to where it's really low down and it's just a very odd angle for me. So I bring it down just a little bit so my gaze is slightly downward. Then I apply the lash to the middle of my lash line and then fix the ends as needed. I also, as you can see here, I like to pick up tweezers. If you don't feel comfortable with this one, you don't have to do that. You can just use your hands to kind of grab the lash and push it towards the lash band. But I've had so much experience with this. I feel really comfortable and I'm just very careful, and I will grab the band, push it towards the lash line, and then I squeeze the band and a little bit of my lashes together so it really stays. Once the lashes are nice and dry, I will pick up some liquid liner and I will cover the lash band. This just helps to give it a nice seamless look. For this next step, I like to hold on to my liquid liner and I'm going to press the tip in between the lashes and into the top waterline. I like to use the liquid liner because if I use a pencil, it transfers to the bottom, and this also keeps from those little white spaces showing through, so it's a seamless, nice dark line. And then lastly, the mascara. I don't like to add it before, I don't know, I like to do it at the end. It just meshes a little better. I am, however, careful not to get too much mascara onto my falsie, but I just love the look that this gives. Now continuing to the other eye, I'm going to first here, I'm removing some of the glue from my wear before this, and once that is all clean and removed, we'll continue with application. If you guys also would love to see how I clean my lashes in between wears, please let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, let's sit back and keep watching. After this application of mascara, I'm going to jump down to the bottom lashes and give them a quick coat. Thank you so much everyone for hanging out with me today and checking out my video. I had so much fun creating this and sharing how I apply my false lashes. So I hope all of my makeup lovers and my curl friends and my DIY nail techs, I hope to see you next week for another video. Take care. 이것들이 아주 그냥 오케이. 좋아.